done. Today is what day? Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Well done. Good remembering from Monday's learning. So today we are going to show our understanding of time to think about what we do in which order. So I'm going to stand back from the board and I'm going to read the following statements to you. And we need to put them in order of what we would have first in a sequence of order and what might come next and last. Okay. So the first one, the blue one says, next week, let's start that again. The first one says, next week I am going to the seaside. Then red one, the next one says, yesterday I walked my dog. The pink sentence says, tomorrow I am going to the zoo. And the yellow sentence, I'm sorry if you can't see that, it says, today I'm having pizza. So which one would we put first? So if we're thinking about ordering these, we need to think about what's happening right now. So we're going to start with moving our today sentence into the middle. So I'm going to move all of these down apart from our today sentence. So that's in the middle. Okay, so which one comes before the today sentence? Which of these words shows that it happened before today? What colour sentence was that? Well done, it is yesterday. So before today was yesterday. So then we've got two things that are happening in the future. Which one will come first? Which one will come later if we're ordering in chronological order? So in order of time. Would it be tomorrow or next week? Well done, and that is which colour sentence? Fabulous. It is tomorrow, which means next week I'm going to the seaside. If you can, read those with me. Yesterday I walked my dog. Today I'm having pizza. Lucky you. Tomorrow I am going to the zoo. And finally, next week I am going to the seaside. Oh, it's not moving. Okay, next is our reasoning. It is true or false. So if you think it's true, give me a thumbs up. If you think it's false, thumbs down. If you just don't know and you're not quite sure, give me a wobbly thumbs. Okay. True or false? We go to bed before we brush our teeth. Is that true or false? Do we go to bed before we brush our teeth? Explain why. Okay, so we do not go to bed before we brush our teeth. We brush our teeth before we go to bed. So if you gave me a thumbs down, you're absolutely right. Well done. But you could have been thinking that actually you get up and then brush your teeth, but this was about what happened before. So before we brush our teeth. Okay, next question. We eat our dinner after it has been cooked. We eat our dinner after it has been cooked. Thumbs up, thumbs down, what do you think? Well done if you're showing thumbs up. We do eat our dinner after it's been cooked, otherwise it wouldn't be very tasty, would it, at all? It could be quite yucky. Well done if you had your thumbs up. Oh. Okay, so this might be different for each and every one of you. So you'll have to tell me and talk to the screen, and you may use some of these words next, later, after, finally, then, to sequence them, okay? So on your normal day, when you come into school, on those days when you come into school, so you may need to think back, what did you do in order? Okay, what was the thing you did first? Can you point? I would expect that this was the same for each and every one of you. Which one did you do first? Call out. Did you go to school, wake up, brush your teeth, learn at school, eat breakfast or get dressed? What was first? Call out, point to the picture. Well done. Hopefully first you woke up. So that will be our first picture. Let's move this one along. Okay, next, did you go to school straight away or did you do something before you went to school? What did you do next? Did you learn at school? Did you eat your breakfast, get dressed or brush your teeth? So after you woke up, what do you do? Okay, so this might be different for all of you. My little boy, Ezra, always eats his breakfast first after he wakes up. My big boy, Noah, always gets dressed first. I always get dressed first. So you could have any order. This might be different for you, but this is my order. So I wake up, then I get dressed. I'm going to use that word then to sequence this. So I wake up, then I get dressed. Do I go straight to school once I'm dressed? Probably not. I haven't done all my jobs first. So what do you do next? Okay, yours again might be different. That's fine. I eat my breakfast next. And then what do you do afterwards? Do you go to school or do you have to think of something else to do? Okay, yeah, you must brush your teeth. I'm sure the dentist has told you must brush your teeth next. And then, do we learn at school or do we go to school? Do we walk to school or do then we go to school? What do you think? Well done. So we go to school and then finally we learn at school. Okay, so I'm putting these words to sequence my routine of when I get up. This is what I do. So can you tell me or can you describe my routine to me? You need to talk to your computer, to your screen, and tell me what I did in order using those words then, next, after, later, and finally. So start with the word first. Go. Okay, so we have first I woke up, then I get dressed, next I eat breakfast, after I brush my teeth, later we go to school, and finally we learn. Well done. Give yourself a pat on the back if you managed to tell me my routine. Okay, today the activities are all the same activity, but it depends how much you put into that activity to what your challenge is, so how much writing you do today. So we have some different sequencing cards from the morning with some different pictures for you. There are 8 pictures of what you need to do in order before you leave your house to go to school. Okay, they are your 8 pictures. You need to cut them out and you need to stick them on your sheet. So if you are doing that, challenge 1, what you will be doing is sticking them in order. Challenge 2, you stick them and then add those words like before, then, next, after, later, finally. So just single words. Ooh, not going back. Come on, computer. There we go. And finally, your third challenge, your trickier challenge, is to do exactly the same. Cut them out, stick them, and then write sentences using those words of first, then, next, after, finally, to describe what you are doing in each picture. Okay, take pictures. Let us see how you got on with that activity, and I will see you tomorrow on which day? Thursday, well done, for our final time activity, because remember Friday we always do something a little bit different. I will see you tomorrow.